Hello and welcome to the first video in our Goldin Metals how-to series. Today, we'll show you the proper way to install underlayment for metal roofing. We're using a display roof. It's smaller than a full roof, but will be perfect for walking you through each step with confidence. Your roof will be similar, just not as easy to reach. First, we will install the moisture barrier underlayment according to the manufacturer's instructions and local building codes. Always start with a smooth, dry deck surface. And don't forget safety. Always wear gloves and eye protection, and make sure your ladder is secure before starting. Layer the sheets from the bottom of your roof to the top. Next, we overlap the edges by about 2 inches. Where one sheet meets another, overlap by 4 inches, making sure the lower sheet is underneath. The 2-inch overhang helps with shedding any moisture. Secure your underlayment to the decking using roofing tacks and a hammer. Look for the printed targets on the underlayment. They'll show you the recommended placement for each tack. Remember to overlap your underlayment layers by 4 inches to maintain the moisture barrier. That's it. Your underlayment is installed and ready for the next step in your roofing project. Remember, our sales associates are always here to help with any questions. Products you'll need: underlayment and roofing tacks. Tools you'll need: a ladder, hammer, gloves, and eye protection. Visit our website at goldinmetals.com or visit one of our locations for more information or to get a quote for your new metal roof.